Where to buy organic food gift baskets? Are you looking for that perfect gift for a close friend or relative? If you are, and if you are coming up empty-handed, you may want to consider giving the gift of an organic food gift basket. Organic food gift baskets are ideal gifts for those who are known to consume natural, organic foods or for those who are health conscious. As nice as it is to hear that organic food gift baskets make great gifts and for just about any occasion, you may be curious as to how you can go about buying them. After all, organic gift baskets can be considered specialty baskets, as they aren't the norm when it comes to gift baskets. With that being said, there are a number of different shopping approaches that you can take. One of the best ways to go about buying an organic food gift basket is by turning to the internet. What is nice about using the internet to buy an organic food gift basket is the options that you have. A few of these options are outlined below for your convenience. It is also important to note that shopping online makes it easier and quicker to compare stores, products, and prices. Online, you can find a number of gift basket stores. These online stores specialize in selling a wide range of gift baskets, including those that house food, candy, and merchandise. You may be able to find a number of organic food gift baskets available for sale. One of the easiest ways to find these online websites is with a standard internet search, namely with the phrases gift baskets or gift baskets for sale. You also have the option of performing a standard internet search with a targeted phrase such as organic food gift baskets. In keeping with using the internet, there are a number of organic food stores that operate online. These are stores that solely sell natural and organic foods. It can be possible to find organic food gift baskets available for sale online through a specialty organic food store. It may take a little bit of searching, but you should be able to find gift baskets. If not, consider sending a quick message to a company or two asking about the possibility of ordering a special gift basket, or at least express your wish that they did carry them. As for shopping for online organic food gift baskets locally, your best bet is to visit a store that specializes in the selling of natural organic foods. These stores can easily be found with a phone book or with the use of an online business directory. Stores that are smaller in size are more likely to make their own organic food gift baskets and have them on display. While it is possible to find these gift baskets all year round, most are available during certain holidays such as Christmas, Mother's Day, and Easter. If gift baskets are not available, consider speaking with a manager to express your wishes that they were sold locally. Even with the above mentioned approaches, it can still be somewhat difficult to find organic food gift baskets available or sale, or you may not find what you are looking for. If that is the case, consider making your own. There are a number of easy steps that you can do to do so. First, find a basket or another container to use to store the organic foods. Consider using one that is organic. Next, fill your baskets with a large selection of organic foods. It is best if you already know what type of foods your gift recipient likes. As you can see, there are a number of different ways that you can go about getting organic food gift baskets to give as gifts. Although it is much easier to buy a pre-made gift basket, you may enjoy the fun and affordability that often comes along with making your own.